Welcome back to Authentic, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda City, a car that's been making waves in the compact sedan segment. Stick around as we explore its key features, performance, design, and everything in between. First off, let's talk about the design. The Honda City 2025 sports a sleek, aerodynamic profile that's both modern and elegant. With its bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines, it's a head-turner from every angle. The 16-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness, making it a perfect blend of style and sophistication. Notice the chrome accents and the subtle yet distinctive Honda badging. These details not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also reflect Honda's attention to quality and craftsmanship. Stepping inside, the 2025 Honda City continues to impress. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and advanced technology. Premium materials, such as soft-touch plastics and leather-trimmed seats, create a luxurious environment. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys a breeze. At the heart of the interior is the advanced infotainment system. The 8-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. The intuitive interface and responsive controls make it easy to access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Dual-zone climate control, a multi-angle rear-view camera, and a state-of-the-art sound system are just a few of the features that enhance your driving experience. Plus, with keyless entry and push-button start, convenience is always at your fingertips. Under the hood, the Honda City 2025 offers a choice of powertrains. The 1.5-liter IVTEC engine delivers a smooth and responsive ride, balancing power and fuel efficiency. With 121 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, it's perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. So, what sets the Honda City 2025 apart from its competitors? It's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and technology, all wrapped up in an affordable package. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, the Honda City is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for joining us on this comprehensive review of the 2025 Honda City. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Authentic, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Honda City. And let us know which car you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.